Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and just #squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. So in today's video, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial. Yeah, I know, long time no tutorial. It's not actually a tutorial because I'm still learning myself. It's just a pink look. I love pink. Oh my god, pink on my skin tone is gorgeous. I'll be doing a pink and kind of silvery white eyeshadow look. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and if you want any more tutorials, let me know in the comment section below, and if you'd like me to try on any colors, let me know. So let's get into the video. A huge thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. Bye guys.